Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes of Keller Williams, and we have a great new listing we want to tell you about. It's 2.5 acres of land, an adorable little one-bedroom, one-bath home with a kitchen and a living area and a warming fireplace. It has a nice well that produces 8 gallons a minute, a cleared septic tank, and a giant workshop with 3 double doors that pull up, parking space for 6 cars. 2.5 acres of land for $275,000. Check out this video for more information. Do you like what you see? Yay, we're so excited. Call your favorite realtor or give us a call and we'll set up a showing to show you this beautiful property out in California Valley. We thank you for watching. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdy with Slow Happy Homes. You have a slow happy day.